Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this guinea pig playpen. This one here is for small animals. So the dimensions of this is 57 by 28 by 22. Alright, so right here is our enclosure. It comes in a nice small box just like this. So it basically is the side panels as well as the bottom panels. You do get some zip ties and also a little hammer in the instructions book. So this is basically telling you what you get. So you get 12 of the bigger ones, 8 of the smaller ones, and you get the caps, the hammers, and this is super easy to put together. So it just tells you like the smaller ones go on the bottom, the bigger panels go on the top side, and then these little clips here, it just snaps right on. If you want to make it more secure, that is why they have the twisty ties. So the twisty ties will go into each one of them panels. You can do it at the top and at the bottom, so you can see it just slips in there just like this. It is a step-by-step guide. I like the fact that it is see-through so you can see your animal. I purchased this for our guinea pigs. That way my son can see his guinea pig. So we're going to go ahead and start. So right now what we do is put these little clips here on the panel sides. And then what you do is grab each side and push them in. You'll hear a pop that lets you know that it is locked in place. So these ones here are clear. So I put these little clips on the inside. You could do it on the outside. It doesn't matter. So they do have the bottom panels and then you have the top panels. Again, the smaller panels are for the bottom. These go on each side. They go up on the top and on the sides. Again, this is really easy to put together. So now I got the bottom part and I did pop in the side. So if you want to add some twisty ties on the side, you can do that, which makes it more sturdier. There is 2 panels that are on the back side that I'm going to take off, and I'm going to actually use the wire because my son's guinea pigs uses food and the water things that actually need to clip on, and then these ones don't clip on instead of ruining it. So I'm going to come back when I have those put up on. So now you can see all of them are up, and then here in the front I use some regular wire so my son's guinea pig's food and water can clip onto this. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the base that goes in here. I have a little washable base that I'm just going to throw right up in there. You can purchase that separately, but I got this one for inside this one. And then I have another one that goes in just to make sure it stays nice and clean. If you're looking for an open cage for your guinea pig, I would highly recommend checking this one out.